Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add this type of product bundle by using Shopify app. We will use Rapi Bundle to add this bundle. Let's get started. This is the app. Firstly, we will install the app. Click the install button from here. Then create new bundle from here. Then click the new bundle. This is the bundle name section. You can give any name of remember. I will use bundle. Then header text. You use attractive text here. I will use choose your offer and save. Then product position. You choose all product from here. There are four types of bundle position here. First option is all product. Second option is all product except selected. Then a specific product, and third last one is a specific collection. You can choose your preferred option from here. I will choose all product option. Then template. There are four type of template here. First one is royal, then block, then light, and prestige. I will prefer prestige template from here. Then variant option. First option is less customer choose different variant for each item. Then height theme variant and quantity selector. And last option is height theme price. You can turn them on or off as you like. I give all option on here. Then pricing. First option is show prices per item. Then show product compared price. I will allow the option. Then price rounding. Then other option, skip cart and go to checkout option. Next option is custom message for out of stock item. On the option and write the message from here. Then home page, show the bundle in the home page. If you want, allow the option here. Then offer, click the offer here. You can easily bundle offer customize here. First option is title, single. I will use title single. Then standard, you can easily also customize here. Quantity 1, pricing default. You can change here. You can easily change here. You can also fix price, choose from here. Then highlight, you can easily any of a highlight from here. Then timer, you can set the timer from here. Then tag, you can write here. I write best value. You can show from here. I delete the tag. Then click the image option from here. Choose image and open. You can easily show image from here. I delete the image from here. Then click the offer. You can easily add new offer from here. You can easily all offer customize it, customize here. and you also delete from here. Then structure, heading font, you can choose any font from here. Then size, you can increase and decrease from here. Then weight and alignment, center, then shape, round and square, you can change from here. Then color, you can customize from here. Then click the publish button from here and published. And product option, click the product button from here, and preview, click the preview button from here. Now see here, our bundle is done. It's very easy, you can also do it. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorial. Thanks for watching.